Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix the issues with mic in Claude. So if you are using the voice mode and Claude is not able to record your voice or not able to get any feedback from you, then let me show you how you can fix this potential issue. So there could be a number of issues which could range from hardware to software. In this part, I'll be only dealing with the configurations issues that might have using due to which your Claude is not able to hear your voice. So let us begin. So the first thing that I'm going to do is simply go to the settings, and from in the settings I'll be going to the sound settings. If you don't know how to go to the sound settings, simply go to system and from here choose sound. Now within the sound setting you need to go to input, and from here make sure that you have selected the correct microphone that you are using, in case you have also paid any external microphone as well. Then apart from there, if you think everything is right, from here you can simply go to the search bar and type in sound again, or instead of sound you can also type in microphone, and from here you will see microphone privacy settings. Go here, and within this a list of applications will appear who have the access to your microphone. So make sure that the access of Claude is turned on. So if that is also done, this means that there could be an issues with drivers. So what we can do is simply launch the device manager. If you don't know how to launch it, go to the taskbar and search for device manager and open it. Now this is the device manager, and in the device manager we will be finding about the adapters. So if you're using the Bluetooth adapter, if you are having any Bluetooth microphone, try resetting this Bluetooth adapter. But apart from that, you also have this sound, video and games controller. Now from here you can see that my device uses a Realtek audio driver. So I'm going to right click onto this and hit the properties option. Now this says this is working properly, so I'm going to go to driver and check if there are any discrepancies. In the driver details, if I click on, it will show me all of the details of the driver. If there are any updates available, you can also try updating the same. So if this also does not work, try restarting your computer or reinstalling Claude, and hopefully this issue will get resolved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.